Hello, future IITians. Stop guessing and start preparing with certainty. The definitive date for JEE Advanced 2026 exam has been confirmed. Mark your calendars. The biggest engineering hurdle is set for Sunday, May 17th, 2026. Your entire preparation effort is now centered on this one single day. And the immense responsibility for conducting this prestigious exam falls to IIT Roorkee. Over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news, which says that IIT Roorkee has announced the Joint Entrance Examination Advanced 2026 for BTech admissions. As per the JEE Advanced 2026 exam date, the admission test will be held on May 17th for a duration of 6 hours, consisting of two separate papers, Paper 1 and Paper 2, each lasting 3 hours. Dear ones, I'm going to summarize this whole news to people. The registration link and the detailed notification will soon go live on the official website jeeadvance.ac.in. But remember, the first challenge is crushing JEE Main. Only the top 250,000 candidates who successfully clear the JEE Main cutoff will be eligible to register for JEE Advance. A candidate is limited to a maximum of 2 attempts in 2 consecutive years for the JEE Advance examination. For example, if you first appeared in your class 12th exam in 2025, your 2 attempts would be 2025 and 2026. So dear ones, if I now just talk about the eligibility criteria, as I told you, candidates should be born on or after October 1, 2001. For SC, ST and PWD candidates, the upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years, meaning they should be born on or after October 1, 1996. Okay, now candidates who passed class 12th in 2025 or are appearing in 2026 are eligible to apply for JEE Advanced examination. Those who passed their class 12 boards in 2024 or earlier are not eligible. Last year, total of 2,50,236 candidates qualified for the JEE Advanced examination. So dear ones, you have the date and the blueprint. There is no time to waste. Start integrating high-level conceptual problems into your daily routine. JEE Advance is a marathon of concepts, not a sprint of formulas. Like this video, share this crucial date with your friends and subscribe for the ultimate JEE Advance strategy guide.